Hello everyone, this is Dayanand sir and welcome back to my online class. Now once again I am present here with a new chapter of environmental study. This is chapter number 5 and the title of this chapter is Houses Around Us. In this chapter we will learn about the need of living in a house. In this chapter, we will learn about the qualities of a neat and clean house, and we will learn about the various types of houses found in India. So students, this is the first video of this new chapter, chapter number 5, and we will do reading practice through this video. Okay, so let's start the reading practice to improve your reading skill. Okay students, so in page number 35, the title of this chapter is Houses AROUND around us. मतलब हम लोग के चारों ओर का हाउसेस, घर, हमारे जो चारों ओर अलग अलग प्रकार के घर होते हैं उसके बारे में. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द रीडिंग प्रैक्टिस. STARTING स्टार्टिंग, POINT स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट, एंड लर्निंग ladder, LEARNING, learning, LADDER, ladder. But before this you can see that name the places where these houses are found. Two pictures had given in your textbook, two different types of pictures. Okay, so first house, the answer of the first house, picture of first house which given in your book is Kerala, and the second picture is Simla. So students, question is WHYY DODO WEVLIVE live in a house. Why do we live in a house? हम लोग घरों में क्यों रहते हैं? So OUR, our HOUSE, house, is the place, 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 WHERE, where, WEVCAN, can, LIVE, live, SAFELY, safely, WITH, with, OUR, our, FAMILY, family, MEMBERS, members. Our house is the place where we can live safely with our family members. It, GIVES, gives, US, us, SHELTER, shelter, FROM, from, HEAT, heat, COLD, cold, RAIN, rain, and DUST, dust. It gives us shelter from heat, cold, rain and dust. It means यह हम लोगों को शेल्टर मीन्स आवास क्या देता है? तो शेल्टर आवास देता है. और किससे बचाता है? हीट, कोल्ड, रेन और डस्ट से. IT, it is a place, WHERE, where, WEV, rest, VREST, rest, RELAX, relax, and ENJOY, enjoy, WITH, with, OUR, our, FAMILY, family. It is a place where we rest, relax and enjoy with our family. M-A-N-Y, many. F-A-M-I-L-I-E-S, family. S-T-A-Y, stay. T-O-G-E-T-H-E-R, together. I-N, A-N-E-I-G-H, B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D, neighborhood. Many families stay together in a neighborhood. W-E-V, live. A-S-H, O-N-E-1, B-I-G, big. F-A-M-I-L-Y, family. I-N, in. A, N-E-I-G-H, B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D, neighborhood. We live as one big family in a neighborhood. Now come to the page number 36. Headline of this subtopic is QUALITIES, qualities of a NEAT, neat. AND, and CLEAN, clean. HOUSE, house, qualities of a neat and clean house. THE, the. CONSTRUCTION, construction of a house. DEPENDS, depends. on. VARIOUS, various. FACTORS, factors. First is CLIMATE, climate. Second is MATERIALS, materials. AVAILABLE, available, materials available. Third point is BUDGET, budget. What is pronunciation? Budget. A HOUSE, house. NEEDS, needs. TOTBEB, MAINTAINED, maintained. REGULARLY, regularly, a house needs to be maintained regularly. THESE, these. ARERSOME, some. WAYS, wage. Of KEEPING, keeping. THE, the. HOUSE, house. CLEAN, clean. AND, and. SAFE, safe. These are some ways of keeping house clean and safe. The first is cleanliness. CLEANLINESS, cleanliness, साफ सफाई. A house, MUST, must. B, KEPT, kept. FRW, free of. DUST, dust. A house must be kept free of dust. A CLEAN, clean. HOUSE, house. KEEPS, keeps. DISEASES, disease. Disease means बीमारी. Disease, AWAY, away. We can, KEEP, keep the house. CLEAN, clean, by. FOLLOWING, following. THESE, these. STEPS, steps. First step is WEVSHOULD, should. SWEEP, sweep. and MOP, mop, sweep and mop the floor. DAILY, डेली. क्या करना चाहिए? तो हम लोगों को डेली अपने घर के फ्लोर पर जो फर्श है उस पर क्या करना चाहिए? झाड़ू लगाना चाहिए, साफ सफाई करना चाहिए. क्या करना चाहिए? झाड़ू लगाना चाहिए. सेकेंड स्टेप इज VSHOULD, should. KEEP, keep. ALL, all. THE the, ROOMS rooms, TIDY tidy, BY by, THROWING throwing, WASTE waste, PRODUCTS products, in the, DUSTBIN dustbin. Number 3, we should KEEP keep the things, THINGS things, in their, THEIR their, PROPER proper, PLACES places. Next point is, we should open the WINDOWS windows and LET FRESH fresh, AIR air and sunlight come in. We should open the windows and let fresh air and sunlight coming in. हम लोगों को हमेशा विंडो खोलना चाहिए ताकि फ्रेश एयर और सनलाइट जो है वह रूम के अंदर आ सके, हमारे घरों के अंदर आ सके. THEY दे, KILL kill, GERMS germs, WHICH which, CAUSE couch, DISEASES diseases. They kill germs which cause diseases. Next point is, we should use mosquito, MOSQUITO mosquito nets and insect, AND and INSECT insect, REPELLENTS repellents. Now come to the page number 37. Next point is, we should use WIRE wire, MESH mesh, wire mesh, on, WINDOWS windows, and DOORS doors, windows and doors. TO2 KEEP keep, MOSQUITOES mosquitoes, FLIES flies, and OTHER other, INSECTS insects, AWAY away. We should use wire mesh on windows and doors to keep mosquitoes, flies and other insects away. Next point is, WEV should use DISINFECTANTS disinfectants and other CHEMICALS chemicals to KEEP keep, GERMS germs and PESTS pests, AWAY away, pests away, SAFETY safety plays a vital, VITAL vital, or vital means important, disinfectant means to stop infection, the things which to stop infections. Safety plays a vital role in keeping the house safe from any kind of danger. WEV can, KEEP keep, THE the house, SAFE safe, by, FOLLOWING following these steps. We can keep the house safe by following these steps. हम लोग जो है कुछ स्टेप्स को फॉलो करके जो है हम अपने घर को सुरक्षित रख सकते हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज, वी शुड LOC के लॉक ऑल द डोर्स एंड विंडोज बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड. बेड पे जाने से पहले, सोने जाने से पहले, बिस्तर में जाने से पहले हम लोगों को अच्छी तरह से सारे डोर्स और विंडोज को लॉक कर देना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज, WEV should immediately, IMMEDIATELY immediately, REPAIR repair, FAULTY faulty, ELECTRICAL electrical, APPLIANCES appliances, electrical appliances. Next point is WEVSHOULD should, TUR in turn, OFF off, turn off the gas, BURNER burner, before GOING going, TO2 be debate. Next 2 point is we should immediately repair faulty electrical appliances. हमें जो है तुरंत ही तत्काल जो है अगर हम लोगों के घर में कोई इलेक्ट्रिक अप्लायंसेज मतलब इलेक्ट्रिकल सामान अगर ख़राब हो जाता है तो तुरंत उससे रिपेयर करवाना चाहिए, ठीक करवाना चाहिए. एंड द लास्ट पॉइंट इज बिफोर गोइंग टू बेड पे जाने से पहले, सोने जाने से पहले हमें जो गैस सिलेंडर है उसका रेगुलेटर को ऑफ कर देना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट सब टॉपिक्स इज वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ हाउसेस इन इंडिया. DIFFERENT डिफरेंट, TYPES types of HOUSES houses, can be FOUND found in the DIFFERENT different STATES states of India. Let us learn about some of them. First type of house is IKRA, Ikra houses. This type of houses or house is usually USUALLY, usually FOUND found in the state of Assam. इकरा हाउस जो होते हैं वह असम में ज़्यादातर या प्रायः पाए जाते हैं. THERE, their, FORE, therefore. They are also CALLED called the ASSAM, Assam type houses. Ikra house is also called the Assam type houses because mostly this type of houses found in the state of Assam. THEY, they are made up of bamboo, STICKS, sticks, bamboo sticks, cement and mud. Next type of house is houseboat. This type of house is found in states like कश्मीर एंड केरला. इस प्रकार के हाउस बोट जो है वह कश्मीर और केरल में पाए जाते हैं. हाउस बोट इज मेड अप ऑफ वुडन, WOODEN, wooden, PLANKS, planks, wooden planks, bamboo poles and palm leaves, PALM, pronunciation is palm, LEAVES, leaves, palm leaves. It FLOATS, floats on water. फ्लॉट मीन्स तैरना. हाउस बोट जो है यह कश्मीर और केरल में पाए जाते हैं. ये ज़्यादातर वुडन प्लैंक, लकड़ियों और बम्बो से वगैरह मतलब बांस वगैरह से, और पाम ट्री जो ताड़ का जो पेड़ पत्तियाँ होती है उससे बनाए जाते हैं, और ये क्या होते हैं, पानी पे तैरते हैं. फ्लोट्स ऑन वाटर. नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ हाउस इज TODA, टोडा, HUTS, हट्स, टोडा हट्स. This type of house is usually found in the state of Tamil Nadu. टोडा हट्स जो है वह प्रायः तमिलनाडु में पाए जाते हैं, तमिलनाडु स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया. It is also referred to as MUNDS, munds. It is made up of bamboo canes. यह बैम्बू केन से बनाए जाते हैं. Grass is used to cover the roofs. टोडा हाउस के रूफ को, छत को कवर करने के लिए घास का उपयोग किया जाता है, घास से इसको कवर किया जाता है. It looks like a HALF, half, BARREL, barrel. इट लुक लाइक अ हाफ बैरल, ये कैसा दिखता है? तो आधा ड्राम की तरह। ड्राम हम लोग इसमें पानी वगैरह भर के रखते हैं, तो आधा ड्राम, हाफ ड्राम की तरह दिखता है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, थ्रू दिस वीडियो we have done the reading practice. All of you will read this chapter. This is your homework. All of you will read this chapter and all of you will do the underline of hard words with pencil. Okay, from each and every page. Thank you.